Listen to me. I welcome you into my YouTube channel. I really welcome you into my YouTube channel. This is a great opportunity for you for coming across a beautiful analysis of dates. I am a Royal Gold FX, the woman that always give you analysis, how the market are going to be. Is it buying or is selling to pieces it down? This is a woman that will tell you how the market will be, and it's an advantage it for you to understand how the nature, how the condition of the market is going to be before you execute your trade. This is what I'm only doing on this platform, and educational thought of how the market, educational tips that you can add value to what are you going to trade with. I always deal with a synthetic forex, cryptos, and others for us to see. So if you are just for the first time you jam on my YouTube, so I say congratulations to you. The only thing you need to do is to just watch, subscribe, like, share, and don't forget to turn the bell for the bell notification, so that anytime that I dropped another beautiful analysis, you are going to be the first person that are going to see what I'm dropping. I normally run the analysis a weekly. I normally run the analysis for us to achieve a little things. I normally use a simple strategy, about 2,000 or more than that of strategy that's available, but me, I use simplicity of analysis for us to see the clear of the chart or where the markets are going to. That is always I'm doing. Today, I'm going to run the technical analysis on AUSD and Usdjpy. That is only the two that I'm going to do. What is market is going to telling us? Today is a Monday. Today is a new beginning. You need to understand what the market is going to do. And I'm running this analysis from the higher time frame. I don't know where the area that you belong to. You might be a swing trader, you might be a day trader, and you might be a scalper. So you will know the area. If you are a swing trader, you will know the area that you need to enter the market, and you know the nature of the market, what is market is going to tell you. If you are a day trader, you will pick it from your higher time frame to the area that you pick it for the lower time frame, that's your entry time. And if you are a scalper, you will need to know the area where you need to pick your entry from. This is what I'm going to run. So let us go into the chart. And don't forget, please, do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Do not forget to subscribe it. After you watching, like it, share it to the others, and turn off your bell notification so that you can have a great opportunity anytime that I drop this chart. I'm going to run the AUD-USD. This is a 3 months of the AUD. Let us analyze it. The market is already over years back. The market has been what? Buying. And the reason the market is now going for down for the selling. Right now, we are in a selling mode for over years. Over years. I'm talking about 3 or 5 years. Market has been selling. Massive selling. Giving us the lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, up to this one. And the market already pulling back to just a retest. This is a retest. You don't know that market might continue, or the market might go back, or market might change the character. Market might change the character because this is the lowest side. So we are moving down to east. Let us raise it. What am I using? I'm using a supply and demand zone. So let me run the analysis. This is the recent zone. I don't need much from here because markets already give me the clue of the market. And this is the recent demand. Are we clear? This is a recent demand, and this is a recent demand. This is a middle range of the market, in which I call the key levels, so that it will help us to know the area the market are reacting. So we know the area. It will help us by the time we are running the top-down analysis of that market down. It's already giving us, we can see the market have been giving us as a sell for these 3 months. We don't need this one for now, so that our chart will not be much complicated. We are moving down to the monthly. Okay, this is the monthly. In this monthly, you can see the market are already turning down to sell now. The market is already give us a pin bar. It gives us a what is the candlestick pattern? This candlestick pattern is we call a evening stars. The market is now giving us evening star, but this market is about to be what? Be coming down to do what? To sell. So this is the monthly. Then what are we going to do? Should we run a middle monthly? This is it. We are going to run a middle zones. This is a middle zones. We are running that to the weekly. This is the weekly charts. It's really help us to know what the market are really saying to us. This is the weekly. Wow. This is a weekly chart. The market is already making sense to us. We are in a downtrend. In our 3 months, the market is already giving us. Yes. I'm using supply demand. In a daily, this is the weekly. This week, market start as what? As a sell. In the weekly, we are running it down. Let me go back to the weekly. There's something I want to really help us to identify it clearly. I always like to use a trend line. It really helps. Daily, okay. This is our daily charts. Key level. Daily key level. A swing trader can able to pick 1 or 2 things for the daily to understand what the market is giving it to it. So right now, as in this place, the market are still pulling back. So this is it. In a daily, then we are going to the 4 hours. What are really we looking for? We are looking for the market to give us a sell. Markets to give us a sell. Market to give what? A sell. Yes. I'm expecting sell. If the market break this one, the market is coming down here. You can see our trend line. The market is now coming down to sell more. So I'm running down to because of a day trading and a scalper. Do you see now? The market rejects in 1 hour time frame. Markets continue to do what? To reject. And if you see the way the market is moving down, the market is moving down to sell. So what are we waiting for? I'm waiting the market to give me. What is the 15-minute says? The 15-minute says the market still do what? Coming down here. I will not be able to do any other things. Or rather, I will place my line. This is a 15-minute chart. So where all these are happen, nothing to be done here. You understand? There is a nothing to be done there. I really want us to show it. When I zoom it out, you see now, there is nothing to be done here until the market breaks it. So I'm looking for sell. Give me ratio 1 to 2. That is all. So I'm looking for a sell. So give me ratio 1 to do what? 1 to 2. That is what I'm looking for. Let's say ratio 2.39. That is what I'm looking for AUD USD. So if you are a day trader, you are good to go. If you are a swing trader, you are good to go. You are good to go because if the market is want to sell, you understand? If market really want to sell, then the market, after the market reach here, market might still go back to this area. For a chart pattern, you see the markets is already do what? Markets are now giving you a M pattern. And M pattern, I always say, it doesn't have reliable. The M pattern might reach here and go back. You don't assume. We don't understand. We don't assume. We trade what we see. This is what we see because we are not a market. We are not a market. Market might reach here and do what? And turn back. Market might reach here and what do what? And turn back. And a market might reach here and come down here. The market might reach here because the markets already give you an M pattern. An M pattern, you can see how the market is forming of a change of the character. So I don't rely on M pattern. You understand? In a chart pattern, I don't rely on the M pattern because M pattern doesn't give me a really go ahead of 100%. So three top is still okay, but M pattern, the market might do what? Might come down here and go back to buy. Market might come down here and do what? I go back to where it's coming from and it might break it. So in this area, we are just looking for ratio 1 to 2 to catch it up for this week. So far so good. This is for the AU USD. AU USD. So I'm waiting for this market to break this place, then I can catch up ratio 1 to 2. Thank you. So let us move to the Usdjpy. Charts so that we can start it off from the scratch. From the 3-month chart, the market have been change of the character for over some years back. Market has been buying. Market have been buying over years back from here. Market pick it from here. The market have been buying over 2 or 3 years. Market have been continue to do what to do buy. So this is what we are going to do. The market, we need to run it down. What is the market to show me clear of the market? Recent supply and the recent month. Middle, 3 month charts, a month chart, very sweet, very clean, very nice. This month, this is the current month, market is about to what? To reach a supply zone. This month, continuity, the market has been do what? Buying. Market about to reach a supply zone. Let's move down to the weekly. You need to be very carefully. In the weekly chart, we need a middle range. We are here. Daily, the daily chart, the key levels. Market has already broke this place, is now going to do what? To this zone. 4 hours, the continuity of this market. Market have you continue to buy. The market are ready for a swing trader. They have missed that entry. For a swing trader, you have mixed the entry for the AUD. You have missed it. But a day trader must find a way to enter as what? As a day trader. As at right now, I'm doing it. You need to find your way to enter. So in this area, then go to your 15 minutes. Let me see the 1 hour. Go to your 15 minutes. Find a way to enter the market. To do what? To buy. After the market break this trend line, you are good to go to enter the market. Let me zoom it. You can still sell ratio 1 to 7 as a day trader. As a day trader, you can still see ratio what? 1 to ratio 1 to 5. You can still see a ratio 1 to 5 as a day trader. So right now, you can still see a massive profit in this for the USD. So this is analysis, but as a swing trader, you have missed that entry. A swing trader have missed the entry. You have missed the entry. You have really missed the entry. A scalper also can have the opportunity to enter at the market for a buy. So this is the analysis of technical analysis on AUD. I've done the AUD and I've done the USDJPY. This is a technical analysis I can run on it. Don't forget to do what? To subscribe, to like, and to do what? To share. So turn on your bell notification Turn on your bell notification on it so that anytime I drop the analysis, you can have access to it. You want to learn, you want to know more, you can DM me. You want a back subscribe broadcast, you need a sub is already done on my chart. So far so good. God bless you and thank you.